Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been in that situation where you desperately need to get somewhere, you hail a Grab, and then as you're about to pay, you realize you left your wallet at home? Awkward, right? Well, fret no more. Because today, we're diving into the world of GrabPay, your one-stop solution for cashless payments in Southeast Asia. No more scrambling for cash, no more panicking about forgotten wallets. With GrabPay, you can pay for your rides, order food, and even settle bills with friends, all from your smartphone. But before we jump in and start spending all our money, virtually, of course, let's first talk about how to create a GrabPay account. It's actually super easy, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step. Getting started, downloading the Grab app. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is the Grab app. If you haven't already, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download it. It's free, of course. Once it's downloaded and installed, open the app and get ready to create your account. Creating your Grab account. Now, this part is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to enter your basic information, like your full name, email address, and phone number. You might also be asked to create a password for your account. Make sure it's a strong one, just like you would for any other online account. Verifying your identity. For security reasons, Grab might ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a clear photo of a valid government ID, like your passport or driver's license. Don't worry, the process is quick and secure. Grab takes user privacy very seriously. Activating your GrabPay wallet. Once your identity is verified, it's time to activate your GrabPay wallet. This is where the magic happens. Depending on your region, there might be a slight difference in the process, but it's generally quite simple. Usually, you'll find an option within the app itself to activate your GrabPay wallet. It might involve entering some additional information or agreeing to terms and conditions. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be good to go. Adding funds to your GrabPay wallet. Now that your GrabPay wallet is activated, it's time to add some funds. There are several ways to do this, depending on your preference. You can link your debit or credit card to your GrabPay account for a seamless experience. Alternatively, some regions might offer options like topping up your wallet through online banking or even cash top-ups at convenience stores. Setting up your GrabPin. For an extra layer of security, it's highly recommended to set up a GrabPin. This is a 6-digit PIN that you'll use to authorize payments within the Grab app. Think of it like your ATM PIN, but for your Grab transactions. Setting up a GrabPin is usually a quick process within the app settings menu. Congratulations! You're now ready to use GrabPay. That's it. You've successfully created your GrabPay account and are now ready to ditch the cash and experience the convenience of cashless payments. The next time you hail a Grab, order food, or even want to split the bill with friends, you can do it all with just a few taps on your phone. Exploring the world of GrabPay. Now that you're all set up, the possibilities are endless. You can use GrabPay for a variety of things beyond just rides. Here are just a few ideas to get you started. Order food from your favorite restaurants through GrabFood. Pay for groceries and other essentials at participating stores. Send and receive money from friends and family. Top up your mobile phone data or pay your bills. Remember, GrabPay is constantly expanding its services, so keep an eye out for new features and ways to use your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time.